Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do also check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. I'm making this video in mid-September. The summer is drawing to a close, the nights are slowly drawing in, and the weather's getting colder. Because it's slightly chilly in the mornings when I wake up and when I have to take my kids to school, I decided yesterday to drop my favourite winter coat down to my local dry cleaners to make sure it's nice and clean for the winter. When I popped in to see the dry cleaner, I gave him the coat and he asked me when I wanted it ready by. And I said to him, hey, listen, there's no rush, in your own time. If you say in your own time in this context, it means at a time that's convenient for you. Okay, I don't have a particularly fixed schedule or fixed time that I need it by. Don't do it too quickly if it's not convenient for you. Tomorrow, the next day, the weekend, all of these times are fine. We also sometimes use in your own time in a sarcastic way. So maybe you're waiting to go out and you're waiting for your son to get ready, to get his shoes on, to get his coat on, and he's taking forever to get things done. So as you're getting increasingly stressed and pressed for time, you might say, don't worry about me, in your own time. You can tell in these contexts it's ironic, partly because of the context, partly because of the pronunciation, obviously. As I said, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share it with friends, and in the comments section below, any examples of how you think you might use in your own time, or any examples that you've heard being used would be most welcome.